portable folding step stool. Lightweight 1.3 pounds. Fits in purse or diaper bag. Potty training. Travel. Tip-toe portable child step stool, folding, lightweight, compact, potty training, travel. Top reviews from the United States. Great portable squatty potty. This functions like a squatty potty while traveling, visiting, or in public restrooms, for a child with special needs. I would not be comfortable letting a child stand on it, but for positioning, it is perfect. It fits well in a pack, but is heavy. I may paint it bright colors, as it becomes nearly invisible and easy to forget.